early May 2022. Before I go on holiday, start getting ready for holiday. When I come back, I know that I will have forgotten some or all of the key points on this. So this is to remind me what the hell they are. Normally we build in this thing modeling, and if I go into object mode, well, ain't that a bugger? I spent 7 minutes recording sound and nothing happened. Okay, so that's annoying. Okay, so we've got the sphere or cube. Don't know why it became a cube again. And although you can't see it right now, that cube has material attached to it, like that. And you get to see that when you do Z render, when you have the Eevee machine on, the Eevee engine, and when you have the material setup. So that cube was the kind of sandbox that I was using, and we're just looking there at remesh, which is the thing that allows or sets up the granularity, I guess, on the surface that then allows the material and the texture to have the right scale applied to it. See what else I'm saying here. I'm just going to scroll down. So we've got the wall, and there we've got material, and the material that we're using is sphere, which is the material sphere. And if I remove that, then the rendered model shows it as just the skylight thing, daylight. I guess that's kind of the key points, and the reason I was doing that was because I was concerned about forgetting it when I went on leave. This temp blender book is obviously an awful place to put this, so I'll put it in I'll probably put it on OneDrive. That's good enough.